हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड आज आम स्टार्ट करिया टीजीटी साइंस पीसीएम 25 अक्टोबर बैच 2 क्वेश्चन 20टा क्वेश्चन अच्छे जिते जल्दी हम आम सब्सक्राइब ट्राए करिया। ओके मिनिमम टाइम नहीं कि आम भावी तुम मान कनसेप्ट क्लियर अच्छे एंड आई विल सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन ओनली। ओके फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा। ओके ऑल इज ओके सेट। ओके गो नाउ given your question is the surface area of a spherical marble of 5 cm radius is approximately. We have to find the surface area. Surface area means spherical marble. This is a sphere. My handwriting is not so good, so you can adjust. Okay. This is the surface area. This is the spherical sphere. This is the spherical sphere. Okay. This is the radius r. This is the radius r. We have to find surface area. Surface area would be 4 pi r square. So that you put the value, you get the answer. 22 by 7 into r is 25. R is 5 square 25. So this means 22 into 100 divided by 7, which is approximately 314.2 centimeter square. Okay, so option A is correct. Option A is correct. Moving to next. Okay, this is your derivative question, so you take its minimum time. Okay, so direct we differentiate, we can find e to the power x derivative e to the power x plus e to the y derivative e to the power y is not x, so we can consider dy by dx again. This implies e to the power x plus y with dy dx of x plus y, isn't it? So we can start again. E to the power x plus e to the power y dy by dx, which is equal to e to the power x plus y plus e to the power x plus y dy by dx. On the previous line we write dy by dx of x plus y. Since x derivative is 1, so 1 plus dy by dx multiply with e to the x plus y, we get e to the x plus y plus e to the x plus y into dy by dx. Now we can come together with x plus e to the power dy by dx, so dy by dx, which implies e to the power y minus e to the power x plus y, again e to the power x plus y minus e to the power x. Now we can find dy by dx, which is equal to e to the, we can put the e to the xy value in given question, which is e to the power x plus e to the y minus e to the x on divided e to the y minus e to the x minus e to the y. Cancelling each, we have e to the power y divided by minus e to the power x, which implies the minus e to the power y minus x. So this is our answer, which is option 1. Moving to next. On this we can also calculate the derivative. This is the similar process you should try. Also I can make the answer. Okay, now write 3x square y square plus 2x cube y dy by dx, which is equal to 5 into x plus y to the power 4 1 plus dy by dx, isn't it? X to the power n derivative n into x to the power n minus 1. So in this first term we have multiply x square and y square दीटा टाइम अच्छे मल्टीप्लाई तो multiplication rule पड़ला so u derivative v plus v derivative u. So next, on the other hand, we can write 3x square y square minus 5 into x plus y to the power 4, which is equal to dy by dx into 5x plus y to the power 4 minus 2x sqy, isn't it? Okay, equal to dy by dx equal to 3x square y square minus 5x plus y to the power 4 divided by 5 into x plus y to the power 4 minus 2x sqy, which is implies we can multiply x plus y in up and down. Then we have 3x sqy square plus 3x square y cube minus 5 into x plus y whole to the power 5 and divided by 5x plus y to the power 5 minus 2x to the power 4 y minus 2x cube two x cube y square, isn't it? 2x cube y square, x plus y divided upper side and lower side. Okay, then we have some result, that is from the given equation we have given that x cube y square equal to x plus y to the 5. So we have 3x cube y square plus 3x square y cube is y cube minus 5x cube y square, isn't it? Divided by 5x cube y square minus 2x to the power 4y minus 2x cube y square, which is equal to, if we can cancel given what we 3x square y cube minus 2x cube y square divided by this 5x cube y square 2x cube y square 3x cube y square minus 2x to the power 4y, isn't it? Okay, then we have x square y square, if we common 3y minus 2x divided by, if we common x cube y, we have 3y minus 2x, which is cancel it out and given this should be cancel y by x, which is the answer C, isn't it? Which is your answer C, which is answer C. Okay, move to second question. Okay, the distance of a point from yz plane. Okay, simply if we draw a 3D line, sorry, my 3D line is so complicated. Okay, try x, y and z. Okay, the distance from yz plane, the distance of the point ABC from yz plane. Okay, this should be yz plane ABC की distance कहाँ होगा? Okay. Okay, if we draw later on I practice कले perfect है. Okay, this point is your A, B, C. Okay, this is your origin and this will be your Z. This will be your Y and this will be your X. This is your Z. Okay, so this is the point you have to think from where yz plane. This point distance should be this. Distance should be always positive distance. So you may easily say that this point from yz axis is y point, isn't it? From this you have to imagine this is the point on the 3D. You have to imagine this is the distance, this is the distance, this is the distance. Okay, this distance is A, isn't it? So A distance should be always positive, so you have distance is A mod. Okay, so your answer is B. Distance is A from x axis yz plane to point A x distance अच्छी A distance yz plane A distance this is A, so your answer should be A. Moving to next. Okay, the area of a isosceles right angle triangle is 36 centimeters square. Then the perimeter is approximately what will be? Okay, on the basis of sides, triangle 3 types: equilateral, isosceles, scalene. This means Vishambahu, Samadhibhav and Samabhakti. On the other side, angle, triangle are three types: acute angle, obtuse, right angle. One of the angle is 90 degree. Obtuse, this means one angle should be greater than 90, one angle should be less than 90 degree. Okay, that's isosceles right angle triangle. This means isosceles right angle triangle. This means this valve. Someone is a right angle triangle, and given that his area, we are given that area, so area should be half into b into h समान is 36 centimeter square. We have to name it. So a should be 72 square root. We have to find the perimeter. A perimeter should be 2a plus the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means let b. Okay, then we have 2 into root 72 plus b plus b. If hypotenuse h equal to p square plus b square square root, if it will be a, root 2a square root, this means root 2a, isn't it? So we can write 272 plus root 2 into root 2 72, isn't it? Okay, this equal to 2 root 72 plus root into 144, which is 2 2 root 70 plus 12, isn't it? Okay, so 2 6 root 2 plus 12, isn't it? So 12 root 2 plus 1, which is equal to root 2 value 1.414, 12 into 1.414 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to which is 12 into 2.414, which is approximately 28.970, which is 29 approximately. So area should be 29 is your A. A is your answer. Move to next question. This is the easiest question. Area of a triangle whose sides are 22.5 into P into B, half into 20 into 48. This means 480 centimeters square. Yeah. This is the answer. In the second. Okay, now total surface area. There are how many surfaces? There are 6 surfaces. So we have to length, breadth, and width given. So surface area would be 2 into length into width plus 2 into length into height plus 2 into height into width. Okay, this should be 2 into 15 into 10 plus 2 into 15 into 8 plus 2 into 8 into 10, which is equal to 300 plus 240 plus 160. This is 700 centimeters square, which is means A is the answer. Move to second. Okay. Okay. What it said, a circular path of land radius 21 feet must be plugged. If a laborer plug 21 square feet area of a land per hour, plugged means boy fan nebutta boy for a gochi deisi gote labor 21 square foot ra gote ghanta काम करे, how many hour it take to plug whole land, whole को plug करने पे केते समय से नब. ओके, तो आमे बाहर कर जा कोन एरिया बाहर कर दो. एरिया ऑफ सर्कुलर पाथ इज पाई स्क्वायर सो 22/7 into r square केते हिजबो 21 into 21, so 7×3 = 21. This means 66 into 21. Let this is the area. Okay, गोटे घंटा रे 1 hour से क्लियर को 21 square feet. Okay, this is the square feet, total square feet. So 1 hour एते कहूँ तो एते square feet कर जो, so 66 into 21 square feet कर जो 66 into 21 divided 21. This means 66 hours, isn't it? So A is the option. A is the right option. Moving to next. Okay, next 9. speed टिके जिबा okay this is rational function. On the previous like this we can write 0.78 over this means 78 divided by 99, isn't it? So this gives us 26 by 33 is that answer. A is your answer. Moving to next. Okay, if A, B are mutually exclusive means there is no intersection, so A intersection B equal to 5, and probability of A union B should be probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, which is 5, so it will be probability of A plus probability of B, isn't it? Okay, so we can write probability of A plus probability of B complement means 1 minus probability of B. Probability of B is 1 minus probability of B complement, so it can be written as 1 minus probability of B complement, which is given, so 0.5 plus 1 minus 0.6, which is equal to 0.5 plus 0.4, which is equal to 0.9. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Okay, move to next. Okay, if alpha be the root of the equation, then find the alpha square beta square. Alpha be the root of the equation, alpha square beta square we have to find out. Okay, alpha square beta square we have to find out. Okay, so 3x square minus 6x plus 4, so x would be minus b 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 4 into 3 into 4 divided by 2 into 3, which is equal to 6 plus minus 2 root 3i divided by 6. So alpha would be 3 plus root 3i divided by 3, and beta would be 3 minus root 3i divided by 3, isn't it? So again, alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square would be okay, then we have to find alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. This will be square root. You can simply write 3 plus root 3i by 3 square into 3 minus root 3i by 3 plus 3 minus root 3i by 3 square into 3 plus root 3i by 3. On solving this, we can find on solving this, you can solve easily. Okay, the answer should be 4 into 6 by 9, which is equal to 8 by 3. Okay, this is a home task. You have to solve this. Okay, easy step in life. You should remember this one, that is a square equal to minus. Okay, this is the important thing, or nothing. Plus minus, you have to subtract, add this. Okay, moving to next. Okay, f of y, given function is f of y. Okay, okay. Let given f of x equal to x by x minus 1 equal to 1 by y given. Okay, so y equal to x minus 1 by x, isn't it? So now we can write f of y. F of y equal to y by simple y by y minus 1 from this, from this. So putting this y, x minus 1 by x divided by x minus 1 by x minus 1. On solving this, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus x कटिगला. So 1 minus x is the answer, which is a B. I think B is the answer. Moving to next. Range of the function. So you have the given formula, that is you have given formula that is if f of x equal to a sin x plus b cos x, then minus a square plus b square less than equal to f of x less than equal to square plus b square squared. So this is the maximum and minimum. Okay, this is the range. This is the range. This is the range. Okay, now we see here a is 5 and b is a is 5 and b is 12. So a is 5, b is 12. So root over of 5 square plus 12 square, this means root over of 169, which is 13. So minus 13 less than equal to 12 cos x plus 5 sin x less than equal to 13. Again given plus plus 5 is there, so minus 13 plus 5 less than equal to 12 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 5 less than equal to 13 plus 5. So this implies minus 8 less than equal to f of x less than equal to 18. So f of x lies between minus 8 to 8. This is the answer. So this would be in option. This would be in option B. This would be option B. Okay, moving to question number 15. Okay. First time है, second time AR, third time मुझे AR square something n minus 1 term tag है जो a to the power I n minus 2, last time है जो AR to the power n minus 1. सेगला increasing order, the sum of the first term and sum of the first term and sum of the first term and last term, नहीं? First term and last term. So a plus a r to the power n minus 1 is 66. So a into 1 plus r to the power n minus 1 equal to 66. এটা বাহি গলা. Okay. Secondly कौन कहला ना second last or second, then ar into ar to the power n minus 2 is 128. Okay, a square into r to the power n minus 1 equal to 128. Okay, so r to the power n minus 1 equal to 128 by a square. putting this value in this, we can a into 1 plus 128 by a square equal to 66. Okay, so we can find a plus 128 by a equal to 66. This implies a square minus 66a plus 128 equal to 0. This implies a equal to ନୁହେଁ ଅର୍ଥାৎ କହିପାରିବା ଏଟାକୁ this implies a square minus 64a minus 2a plus 128 equal to 0. This implies that a minus 64 into a minus 2 equal to 0. This implies that a equal to 2 or a equal to 64. Okay, a equal to 64. 64 तो हम नहीं पढ़े लेकिन sum of the terms is एते अछि तो नहीं होना तो हम कौन करिया so we cancel this is cancel so a equal to 2 we can consider if a equal to 2 then r to the n minus 1 equal to r to the power n minus 1 r to the n minus 1 equal to 128 by a square thila so 128 by 4 332 r to the n minus 1 equal to 32. So Sn equal to when the sum of the term equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 was equal to 2 into 32r minus 1 divided by r minus 1 yeah, no? which is equal to अच्छा बुझेलानी a equal to 2. Now we know that we have given r to the power n minus 1 equal to 128 by a square. So r to the power n minus 1 equal to 128 by 4. This means 32. Okay, this will r to the power n equal to 32. Okay, now sum of the terms is Sn equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 which is equal to 126 given. So 26 so we can put Sn equal to 126 equal to 2 into r to the power n equal to केते पाइला हमें अच्छा 2 into now Sn okay so 126 equal to a into r to the power n equal to 32 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This means that 126r minus 126 equal to 63 equal to 2 into 32r minus 1. Okay, now 63r minus 63 equal to 32r minus 1 which is implies r equal to 31 r equal to 62 implies r equal to 2. R equal to 2. Now a to the power now r to the power n minus 1 equal to 32. This implies that 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 32. 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 2 to the power 5. N minus 1 equal to 5, n equal to 6, which is our answer. So this is a lengthy question, not lazy, but try kala n equal to 6 is your answer. Equal to 6 is your answer. 16. Okay. Then now 146. If P, 2P plus 2, 3P plus 3 are the first 3 terms of a geometric sequence, then the 5th term now find GP. Then 2P plus 2 divided by P equal to 3P plus 3 divided by 2P plus 2. Okay. Then now 2P plus 2 whole square equal to 3P square plus 3P, which is equal to 5P square plus 8P plus 4 equal to 3P square plus 3P, which implies P square plus 5P plus 4 equal to 0. This implies P into P plus 4 plus 1 into P plus 4 equal to 0. This implies P equal to minus 1 or minus 4. Minus 1 not should be considered, because if you put minus 1 on the 3 term, P should be 1 0 0. This is do minus 1 0 0. So this is not a geometric series. So we can take the consider into minus 4. So this series will be minus 4, minus 6 and minus 9. So as common essay will be 3 by 2 minus 6 by 4, so 3 by 2. So T5 we can find. T5 term 5 is a into r to the power 5 minus 1. This will be minus 4 into 3 by 2 to the power 4. So minus 4 into 81 by 16. So minus 81 by 4 is the right answer. So this will be minus 81 by 4 B. B is the right answer. Move to next. So 17. If A and B be two sets so that connective A is 20 and the connective A union B is 42, connective A intersection B equal to 4, then find the B difference. We know the formula, that is connective of B difference A. So B is A. This means connective of A union B minus difference A. Easily we can find out this B difference A. That means this is this part is B difference A. B difference A. Color change करिए. This will be B difference A. B difference A. Okay. So B difference A. तो मैं ये picture को देखिएगा ना. So this will be A union B के दीजिए 42 minus 20 equal to 22 answer. D.
Doubt clear.
Now D.
ଆପଣ ବି ରଖିଥିଲେ?
So this answer should be D. Moving to next question. 18. The mean of cube of first n natural number. So this is the direct formula. This will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube dot 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 up to n cube, is mean n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, then n into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This should be a easy answer. Moving to next. Moving to next. Moving to next. Where is the number? Where is answer? 1075 minus 1030 minus 1075 into 1030. Okay. When you find out 1030 is 1 by root 3 and 1075 equal to 1045 plus 30. This means 1045 10a plus 10b plus 1030 divided by 1 minus 1045 into 1030. This will be a 1 by 1045 should be 1. So 1075 equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 1 by root 3 and 1 minus 1 by root 3. So putting the value we can find now. Putting the value 1075 is 1 minus root 3 nahi 1 so that put the value in the answer. Now 1 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus okay. Let's start from this reason we know that 1030 is 1 by root 3 and 1075 is 1045 plus 30. This will be 1045 plus 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 1045 into 1030. So 1 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3. This will be root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This will be the value. So now putting this value in the root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So we have, on solving this, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 common 1 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So we have root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So this will be cancelled out. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. This will be root 3 by root 3 equal to 1. This is your answer. B. B is your answer. Last question is your last question. Okay, last question. Okay, last question. Value of sin 690 cos 93 10 minus of it. Okay, मैं तो convert को जाएगा sin 720 minus 30 plus plus no into cos plus 30 plus 10 minus plus 45 cosec 3 into 360 plus 90. देखो cos 10 minus minus 10 theta cos का minus theta minus करता है so theta plus है so this will be sin 720 minus theta which is sin theta minus sin theta fourth quadrant positive negative so minus sin theta minus sin 30 it is a minus cos 30 this will be third quadrant so this is minus theta and it will be 10 plus 10 45 positive into cosec 90 अच्छा 1045 1 cosec 91 so this will be minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus under root 3 by 2 this plus 1 root 3 by 2 plus 1 so root 3 plus 4 by 4 is the answer. Root 3 plus 4 by 4 is the answer. Root 3 plus 4 by 4 is the answer. C is the answer. Thank to all. Signing off. RKP Math.